Here are 4 things that you can typically find in my fridge, and they should probably be in yours as well. First up, pickled red onions. Start by slicing as many red onions as you want along the grain. Now grab a heat-proof vessel and stuff it tight with all of your onions. Add a 1-to-1 ratio of water to vinegar to your container and then add to a saucepan. Now add salt and sugar and bring to a simmer. Lastly, add your hot liquid to your container along with any spices that you may want and refrigerate overnight. Next up is the sweet heat treat, Cowboy Candy. We're going to start by slicing up about 2 pounds of jalapenos, and be sure to wash your hands before you touch your eyes or anything else. Now to a pot over medium heat, add 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of water, a little turmeric, and some salt. Once all your sugar is dissolved, add all of your jalapenos and allow to simmer for about 10 minutes. They all should change to a darker green. All that's left to do is place in a jar and once cooled, seal and refrigerate. These need to sit at least overnight to mellow out. Next up, dill pickles. We're going to start by making our brine, which is a 1-to-1 ratio of water to white vinegar, and then add all of our spices that are listed in the caption below. Bring that up to a simmer and then remove from the heat to cool to room temperature. While that cools, stuff your jar tight with your cucumbers, some garlic, of course dill, and if you're feeling froggy, a bay leaf. Cover with your cooled brine, and if you're making enough for more than 1 jar, be sure to get some of those spices that may have settled to the bottom of the pan. We can go ahead and add our lid since we let the liquid cool, shake it up, and then refrigerate for at least 24 hours before eating. And lastly, we have pickled sweet peppers. We're going to start by cutting all of our peppers into little rings and then adding to a heat-proof jar. For the brine, we're going to use a 1-to-1 ratio of water to vinegar and whatever spices you want. I have mine listed in the caption below. Bring to a simmer and then pour this mixture over your peppers and then allow to cool to room temperature before refrigerating overnight.